हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज अपन इंडियन पॉलिटिकल का थर्ड पेपर देखेंगे जिसमें अपन 50 क्वेश्चंस देखने वाले हैं। जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो सब्सक्राइब कर लो और वीडियो को लाइक कर दो ताकि मुझे मोटिवेट मिल सके कि आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस मैं बना सकूं। ओके, तो विदाउट टाइम वेस्टिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ये है अपने पास कि व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ लोकसभा एज पर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। तो आंसर इज 552। ठीक है, द मैक्सिमम स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ लोक सभा इज 552 विच इंक्लूड 530 मेंबर ऑफ द स्टेट एंड 20 फॉर द यूनियन टेरिटरी एंड 2 nominated member of the Anglo-Indian community. Okay, next, second question. Which constitutional amendment introduced the 73rd amendment enhancing the system of Panchayat Raj? Answer is 73rd amendment. Okay, the 73rd amendment enacted in 1992 provide for the establishment of Panchayati Raj institution in the state. Next, third question. Which article of the Indian Constitution provide for the appointment of Finance Commission? The answer is Article 280. Okay, Article 280 mandate the establishment of Finance Commission every 5 years to review the financial position of the state. Okay, next, fourth, the principle of collective responsibility in the Indian parliamentary system is embodied in which article? The answer is 74th. Okay, the 74 provide the council of ministers shall aid to advise the president to exercise of his function signifying collective responsibility. Okay, next, fifth, who is responsible for the conduct of free and fair election in India? Answer is Election Commission of India. Okay, the Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administrating election process in India. Next, 6. Which article provide for the protection of President of India from legal proceeding? The answer is Article 361. Okay, देखो आर्टिकल 361 स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट शॉल बी आंसरेबल टू एनी कोर्ट फॉर एक्सरसाइज ऑफ हिज पावर एंड ड्यूटीज. नेक्स्ट, 7. Which amendment to the Indian Constitution is known as a mini constitution? So answer is 42 amendment. The 42 amendment enacted 1976 is also known as a mini constitution because it is made significant changes to the constitution. Okay, next, 8. Which article of the constitution ensure the right to the free legal aid? Answer is Article 39A. Okay, Article 39A provide free for legal aid to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen. Okay, next, 9th. What is the maximum term duration of Rajya Sabha member? The answer is 6 years. Okay, next, 10th. Which of the following article deal with the special provision for the northeastern state? Answer is Article 371. Okay, Article 371 provide a special provision for certain state in northeastern region of India. Okay, next, 11. What is the minimum age required to be elected as a member of Rajya Sabha? Answer is 30 years. Okay, candidate must have at least 30-year-old as elected the member of Rajya Sabha. Next, 12. Which of the following is not a function of Prime Minister of India? The answer is dissolving the Rajya Sabha. The Prime Minister cannot dissolve the Rajya Sabha, only the Lok Sabha can be dissolved. Next, 13. Which article specifies the procedure for the removal of Vice President of India? The answer is Article 67. ठीक है, देखो Article 67 detail the process of removal of Vice President. Okay, next, 14. What is the role of governor in the state legislature? Answer is giving assent to bill. देखो, the governor play key role in the state legislature including summoning session, proroguing and assenting to the bills. Okay, next, 15. Which article deal with the amendment of the Indian Constitution of India? The answer is Article 368. Okay, Article 368 provide the procedure for the amendment of constitution. Okay. Next, 16. Which of the following is a fundamental duty as per Constitution of India? The answer is to promote harmony. Okay. देखो, the Constitution lists promoting harmony as a fundamental duty under the Article 51A. Next question, 17. Who can initiate impeachment proceeding against the President of India? The answer is both houses of Parliament. Okay. देखो, impeachment proceeding can be initiated by the either house of Parliament. Next, 18. Which of the following is not a part of preamble of the Indian Constitution? The answer is Democratic Republic of India. Okay? The phrase Democratic Republic of India is not a preamble. It is simply described serving Democratic Republic. Okay? Next, 19. Which article provide for the protection of minority interest in India? The answer is Article 29. Okay, देखो, Article 29 protect the interest of minorities by allowing them to conserve their culture, language or script. Okay. Next, 20. Which constitutional body is responsible for advising the president on the distribution of financial resource between union and state? Answer is Finance Commission. Okay, देखो, the Finance Commission is established under the Article 280 to recommend the distribution of taxes between the union and the state. Okay. Next, 21. Under which article can the president declare the national emergency? Article 352. Article 352 allows the president to declare the national emergency when the security of India and any part thereof instead of threatened. Okay. Next, 22. Which of the following is not a category of directive principle of the state policy? The answer is environmental principles. While environmental principles are important, they are not specially categorized as a directive principle under the Constitution. Okay. Next, 23rd. Which article empower the president to appoint the Prime Minister of India? So indirectly answer is Article 75. Okay. Next, 24. Which amendment is known for the implementation of Sankalp Se Siddhi initiative? The answer is none of the above. Okay, is not a specifically linked to any constitutional amendment, but it is a bordered initiative. Okay. Next, 25. Which article of the Constitution allows to the appoint of special officer for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes? The answer is Article 338. Article 338 provide for the establishment of National Commission for the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Okay. Next, 26. What is the term used to describe the division of power between the central and state government? Answer is federalism. Okay. देखिए, federalism refers to the division of powers between the central authority and constituent units. Okay. Next, 27. Who among the following is not a member of Rajya Sabha? The answer is member of Lok Sabha. Okay. Next, 28. Which constitutional amendment removed the provision of the nomination of two Anglo-Indian members to the Lok Sabha? The answer is 104th Amendment. Okay. देखिए, 104th Amendment enacted 2019 abolished the provision for the nomination of two Anglo-Indian members to the Lok Sabha. Okay. Next, 29. Which of the following is a feature of parliamentary system? Answer is collective responsibility of the cabinet. Collective responsibility of a cabinet is defining the feature of parliamentary system. Next, 30. Which article provide for the right to constitutional remedies? The answer is Article 32. Article 32 guarantees right to approach the Supreme Court for the enforcement of fundamental rights. Next question, 31. Who has the authority to dissolve the Lok Sabha? The answer is Prime Minister. Okay. The Lok Sabha can be dissolved by Prime Minister on the advice of the President. Next, 32. Which article mention the establishment of Planning Commission? The answer is there is no specific article. Okay, the planning commission was not established by any constitutional provision. It was a executive body. Okay, next 33. The concept of judicial review is derived from which article? The answer is Article 13. Okay, so judicial review is a power of judiciary to review and declare unconstitutional any law passed by the legislature which is covered under the Article 13. Article 13. Next 34. Which article of the Constitution deal with the right to education? The answer is Article 21A. Okay. Article 21A was added 86th amendment making education fundamental right for children aged to 6 to 14. Next 35. What is the term used for transfer of power from the center to the state in the context of Indian federalism? The answer is devolution. Devolution refers to the transfer of authority and power from central government to state or local government. Next 36. Which article empower the governor to appoint chief minister? The answer is Article 164. Article 164 empower the governor to appoint the chief minister of the state. Okay. Next 37. What is the minimum age to contest Lok Sabha election? The answer is 25 years. 25 years old for the contest to the Lok Sabha. Next 38. Which of the following constitutional body is responsible for protection of right of women and children? The answer is National Commission for Women. The National Commission for Women is a task with protecting and promoting right of women. Okay. Next 39. Which of the following is not a fundamental right guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? The answer is right to property. Okay. Next 40. Under which article can President of India summon Parliament? The answer is Article 85. Okay, Article 85 gives the President power of to summon Parliament. Okay. Next 41. Which body is responsible for appointing the Chief Election Commission of India? The answer is President. The President of India appoints the Chief Election Commissioner. Okay. Next 42. Which amendment granted to the right to vote to citizen age 18 years? The answer is 61st Amendment. The 61st Amendment enacted in 1988 lowered vote age from 21 to 18 years. Okay. Next 43. What is the primary function of Public Accounts Committee? So answer is to audit government expenditure. Okay. The Public Accounts Committee is responsible for auditing the expenditure of the government. Next 44. Which constitutional provision provide for the establishment of local self-government in rural and urban? The answer is Article 40. Article 40 direct the state to organize village panchayat and to grant them necessary powers. Next 45. Which article guarantee the right to freedom of speech and expression? The answer is Article 19(1)(a). Article 19 will guarantee the right of freedom of speech and expression as a fundamental right. Okay. Next 46. Which of the following is a component of the directive principle of the state policy? So the answer is right to living wages. Okay. देखिए क्या है? Providing the living wage as a part of directive principle aim at securing social and economic justice. Next 47. Who can be the member of Rajya Sabha? The answer is a person who is at least 30 years old. Okay. Next 48. What does Article 44 of the Indian Constitution provide for? The answer is Uniform Civil Code. Okay. The Article 44 mandate the state to secure for the all citizen a uniform civil code. Next 49. Which body has a power to recommend the disqualification of a member of the parliament? The answer is Election Commission. Okay. The Election Commission can recommend the disqualification of the member on the ground of corrupt practice. Okay. Next 50. Which amendment of the constitution provide for the establishment of national commission for backward classes? तो आंसर इज 102nd amendment. The 102 amendment established national commission for the backward classes in 2021. Okay. नेक्स्ट जो रहेगा वो इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे. ओके. देन उसके बाद अपन कुछ मिक्स प्रॉब्लम पे करेंगे क्योंकि अपना पेपर जो है वो 21 को है, तो उसके हिसाब से ही अपन यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. ओके. तब तक के लिए वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. थैंक यू.